Hengsheng Machinery Factory. Occupy 25,000 square meters. More than 1,000 employees. Have 8 production lines. Annual output of 30,000 units. Annual exports of $350 million. With the original aspiration of making construction more efficient and safe. Since its establishment, Hengsheng has been focus on excavators and loaders. Research and development, production and service. Step by step to grow into a modern engineering equipment manufacturing enterprise. Commitment to safety and dedication to project quality. It is the core driving force that drives Hengsheng to keep moving forward.